Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are making beef schnitzel. Well, my husband is making beef schnitzel. First things first, he cut the round beef into very small pieces. Ideally, they should be equal, 7 millimeters each, I think. I was given the recipe and told what to say, but you have to bear with me, guys, while I take you through it. So the next thing he did is warming his oil to start frying his meat. The idea is to fry the whole meat, both sides browny, before you start cooking it. To be honest, guys, my husband is a very good cook. He cooks delicious food and he is very patient when it comes to cooking. Very patient. And who am I not to appreciate a husband that loves cooking? What? A husband that loves cooking? And when your meat is ready, you just have to put it on the side on the plate. And because when it was frying, the flavor got stuck on the pan, he rinses it and put back the meat so that the meat sucks in back the flavor, because it's always nice with flavor. Now my favorite part, pouring wine into the food. Ideally, you have to pour half bottle, but I prefer full bottle because then I drink 2-3 glasses without recognizing I'm drinking 2-3 glasses. And then on the side, you can just boil water and put your beef stock. We didn't have enough beef stock, so we use chicken stock as well, and pour out your boiling water, and then you have to keep stirring until your beef stock is ready. And when it's ready, you can just start pouring on the meat every 5-10 minutes, or whenever you think the water is less, you can keep pouring your beef stock water. So this food might take a little bit long time to cook, but I promise you it's worth it. It's very nice. And on the side, because his meat is almost ready, he has the rice boiling so that everything gets ready at the same time. So now he's gonna add spices because the meat is ready to be eaten. So first garlic, and then my favorite, Vegeta. I love Vegeta, and you can never go wrong with Vegeta. It's a little bit too salty, so when you use it too much, you don't need salt at all. And he's almost done here, guys. He's just mixing the spices together with the meat, and he's gonna close it for like 10 to 15 minutes while he's preparing his butter for the rice. And everything is ready. Now you can add your butter on the rice. Oh my God, this rice is good. Everything, like this food, is so good. It's so, look how thick it looks. And I feel like the plating doesn't represent the taste, because this food tastes delicious. If you can try it, guys, and come back to me, let me know if I'm lying. This food tastes so good. I think it's my favorite, second favorite food. It's so good. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much. Bye.